Hey, I'm Kat. I'm going to teach you how to do cup song. First, you'll clap twice. Then, after you clap twice, you will tap 3 times on the cup or on like your desk. So I do it on the cup. 1, 2, 3, or on desk 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from what I showed you right now, altogether would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then, after you tap on the cup or the desk, you'll clap again. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then it'll be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then pick up the cup, put down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, pick up. After you pick it up, you'll clap again. And then it's gonna be a hard part. So far it's gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, pick up, 1. And then it'll be, you pick it up like this. You have to really grab it because you don't want to do this. It'll just mess up the whole thing. So you pick it up like this. Then you hit it on your other hand. And then you'll hit the side. After you hit the side, you'll switch hands, put your free hand down, and put the other hand, and then put your cup down. So all together will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, pick up, clap, pick up, hit, down, turn around, free hand down, cup. I can't really do it that fast, but I could do it fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's how you do it. Peace.